How to fix iPhone stops charging at 80%. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off a feature on your iPhone that will allow your iPhone to charge past 80%. So if you notice it constantly stops charging when it gets to 80%, in this video, I'll show you how to fix that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we simply need to open up the settings on our iPhone. Then in the settings here, scroll down just a little bit and in the first section, select battery. Once in battery, scroll down. And you want to go to battery health and charging, select that. And then once in here, find optimize battery charging and make sure that that's turned on. As you can see here, if it's turned off, your iPhone will be limited to 80% charging, and that's to protect the battery from aging. But if you turn on optimize battery charging, it kind of learns how you use your iPhone, and that will allow it to charge up to 100%. So once you enable optimize battery charging, you can close the settings, and now your iPhone will charge past 80%. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.